Hey everyone, welcome back to Social Media with Roy. If you are here, you are probably like me, obsessed with making your content stand out in social media. But here's the deal, what if I told you there's an AI tool that can create eye catchy, click worthy thumbnails just for you? Sounds magic, right? But it's not. Well, buckle up, and today I'm gonna show you how this AI can transform your content game. So let's dive in. Let me take you to a time when I was just starting my channel. I spent hours designing thumbnails, agonizing over fonts, colors, and layouts. And honestly, some of them were just meh. Just look at this. This one. This looks horrible. I have to admit, this looks horrible. I knew thumbnails were the key to getting clicks, but I didn't always have the time or skills to make them pop. Relatable, right? I know. Then I just found that one AI tool. Introducing vidIQ. With this AI tool, you can generate your thumbnails easier and quickly. Let me show you how. And I'm gonna make a thumbnail with you guys. Like the thumbnail for this video will be generated by that AI tool. So let's get started. So to use that tool, you have to search for vidIQ AI thumbnail. Okay, then click on this link, the first link, and click on get thumbnails for free. I'm gonna log in with one of my Google account. Okay, so here we are. So here you can give prompt or you can upload your video. I would recommend you should upload your video so it will give better recommendations for your thumbnail. Or you can also give YouTube title of your video. Let's create one thing. Let's create this thumbnail. Thumbnail for a video in which I told about an AI tool which can generate thumbnails for YouTube videos. Let's click on this. So as you can see, thumbnails are ready. I think I'm gonna use this one here. You can also change some text here. You can also change the text, like the color of the text or font. You can use this also. I don't like this or this. This doesn't make sense. This makes sense, but I think this makes a lot more sense than in the three of these. So I'm gonna use this thumbnail. So the thumbnail of this video will be this thumbnail. So here I showed you how you can generate your own thumbnail. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. That's it for today. Subscribe to me if you want videos like this every day or every week, whatever. And bye.